What was that? GM guys. Wow.
What?
I added us to the stage, and the other was like, ah. That was the first thing on this
That
stream.
was my margin call.
Okay, it already started well. 130 people are watching us. Hunder, do you want to turn on? Put your PFP.
I'm trying, but it's
Oh,
not easy, man.
okay. Let me do this. Uh, I need to change the banner, and we are going to start in a few minutes. Yeah, guys, leave comments, ask questions, ask charts. We will check absolutely every doc sheet you have for us. Uh, all right, I never been sharing my screen before, so need to make sure I don't have anything open that is secretive. How are you doing, guys? How is market treating you?
Well, better than like previous months, I would say. So yeah, it's better environment, but it's not that easy still. Like I I personally think like this is not still the easy mode. Maybe we are before it, but it's certainly not it. And but I think we'll talk about this later. So in general, like okay, making some backs. How about you, 100?
I'm adding LP to my hard liquid positions. Well, the market is in easy mode, Javor. It's literally entering it. I think it's just the beginning. BTC just crossed all-time highs. I think I have peak longs on ETH right now.
Yeah, guys.
Um,
Maybe let's take it easy. Let's introduce you maybe to the audience before we break into the details. But I really appreciate that we are we are in such a rush to check the charts. Yeah. So, guys, thank you for joining me today. Let me check how many people are watching us. 170. That's a pretty decent outcome for our first stream. So yeah, Javor and Hunder, they are two best Degen friends, best traders I know, and I'm not sure how comfortable they are with sharing their results, but they're like really fucking good. Um, yeah, so like really good. They code so many narratives, like the whole AI narrative, whole meme mania. They were early in so many things. They trade quite a bit together. Yeah, and thankfully they said yes to me begging them to have those streams with us. So if it goes well today, we are going to have more, I guess. And yeah, so Hundert, you already started talking about that. How are you currently positioning in the market?
yeah, so we were chatting privately about it, but I think ETH should go up, should do the catch up now. BTC post 110. I think it's going ape shit. This deep it has come. You're probably safe longing. I already tried longing it yesterday, but it was a bad idea. So the market, like overall, it's great for me. Definitely really good period. But yesterday I got fucked by ETH. But today I kind of made it back already, and I think like it looks sexy. It looks good. Hyperliquid is also showing like it will be my genuine answer for probably like 99% of the time. Whenever someone asks me like what should I buy, will be Hyperliquid. If it's just like a temporary trade, I don't like if for mid-term or long-term. Like the weekend was crazy. I wasn't as active as I wish I was. but like it genuinely showed everyone how big Hyperliquid is and how much bigger it's gonna be. Like it's literally eating all this excess lunch. So if you don't know what to do, you're probably best off just buying hype and literally logging out, or maybe buying hype and farming it on HyperEVM. We'll probably chat about it later as well.
Yeah, I agree with you. I'm quite bullish DeFi because Hyperliquid is one of the leading protocols in DeFi with Aave, with Morpheus. I think way more DeFi is way more accessible than it used to be in 2021, and it should keep going this direction, in my opinion. I think CeFi market share will be way smaller compared to DeFi.
Topic on the DeFi narrative, I think it's really interesting right now that Aave is only 10 billions. Like it only needs like 10 billions in TVL to get the same TVL as Circle has right now with the USDC stablecoin. So yeah, I think there is a big mispricing opportunity in the very big DeFi coins and TradFi and people from the big institutions like products like Aave, of course. And I also my thesis is this current like Bitcoin uh, grow is mostly because of the ETF inflows for the Bitcoin because of the beautiful bill passed, and that's why like risk aversion right now is bigger because dollar is losing value. But I'm not the sharpest tool in the chef, so I don't want to like go more into this. But yeah, in general, if you don't know what to do, I would also like advise buy this like very blue chips. Like I think Ava is very good coin. Of course, it's not financial advice.
Yeah, nothing here is financial advice, guys. Like we are just retarded friends, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, I agree with you. Like Aave is probably the best beta play to ETH that you can place. Like I see world where Aave is trading at 1k USD,
To
and
tap
it will.
to the if beta, I think the best beta for if is SBET right now, so stocks.
Yeah, that's also true. But I know long term and mid term 100 isn't bullish. If I am, I think it's if season. I tried to be quite vocal about it
I mean, it's
recently.
not like I'm not bullish if
I think I lost you, Michael.
Let me check my microphone. Do you
I
hear me
can
well,
hear
guys?
I can hear everyone.
Hunder, can you hear him?
Yeah, I
Or
can
we
hear
are the
Michael.
host now?
I can
No, no,
hear you,
no.
both of
Uh,
you. So
I can hear you, Javor. I can hear 100, but yeah, I don't know why you can hear me.
didn't we have literally the same issue on the last stream here, like a year ago or something, where
Okay,
I could
I'm
hear
back.
everyone and okay. Yeah, so maybe coming back, I was just saying it's not like I'm bearish if or anything. I literally have like a couple mil in longs on ETH right now, and that's for the short term. And I think ETH goes up. I just don't think it's a better risk return bet than hype or some other positions I have. So that's just my take. But maybe with ETH betas, that's reasonable.
Yeah,
With
I'm
like
not saying if he's the best investment in the space, but I can see a world where it's a leading narrative compared to, like, let's say if it's the motherland of DeFi overall, and Solana was the noisy one earlier this year and the whole previous year, and I could see like Solana performing well, but if still under outperforming Solana or performing similar, like the days where Eve was super underperforming are gone. And if I was placed to bet on Eve BTC chart, I think if it's going up like compared to BTC. Uh, that's my gut feeling. Like the 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 market is so tired of being just, let me add the other, yeah, mm, like it bleeds so much. So yeah, that's my view. and all those beta plays should let you eat quite well.
Okay, we don't want to talk about if beta plays here. Yeah, this is Degen Yaps, so we should focus on something more Degen connoisseur like.
Yeah. Okay. Do you see any narratives now, or do you want to check any charts?
So first of all, I think the biggest bull in the room is 100 here. I'm more conservative here. Like, I don't know what's gonna happen. Like, I see possibility where like market will go down for a like month and will come back in the September. That's one of the scenario that I think it's possible. But if I need to share something here and about narration, I think there is a narration in the play Launchpads and Pump.fun. This is still the narrative, and the people that longed coins like Bonk or GP last week are in the pretty good profit. I can show like the, for example, here with you.
Let me check. I'm not. Are you sharing your screen or because we
No,
can't?
I'm sharing on the private chat the link to the GP chart,
Okay.
which is like one of the ecosystem from a coin from Bonk Fund, and there I don't remember the correct like amount, but 7.5% is revenue of revenue
Wait a
is
minute.
going.
Can you send the link in the chat? I will open it so people could see that.
Yes, it's on the private chat. Where should I? On the Telegram, or you prefer StreamYard?
Here in private chat. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Opening the then. Give me a second. I've never been a screen sharer before. Okay. Yeah. GP. Okay.
So yeah, that was the play as a bonk meta. In my opinion, bonk what's it's bonk is doing right now is very clever, like company to like drive some attention and mind share. And I think like most of its revenue is like gamified. It's not like a real revenue, but it looks good on the paper, on the analysis tools that they're earning more than pump. And I think the play is still in the game, but it's really late because I think the next big narrative on the market will be plasma sale, and it will take some mindshare from pump. And if you have opportunity to allocate during ICO, I think that's going to be a very good potential bet.
I agree.
I don't
Plasma's
know.
free money.
I don't know if it's like I heard that the valuation at the start will be around 1 billion, so it's very low comparing to the pump, and the stablecoins narrative is still like number one sector in our industry.
Yeah, I'm actually long bonk. Been trading it a bit and opened a long last evening. Currently with 5x leverage, it's 26% in profit. I think let me show you the bonk chart. I'm quite bullish bonk. I think it's the best beta play to pump. I don't know how to play pump here, but yeah, bonk looks
I'm
really
long
incredible.
pump since morning.
Oh.
I'll probably close it soon. I'm
Like
not
with
comfy
this
one.
breakout, I can see where we test this highs basically. Not sure if you can see my screen, and it looks like it wants to breaks out and have absolutely lovely rally. And bonk actually currently they have higher bigger market share than pump. Yeah, let me check that.
When should I sell my GP Avor? I bought it. I made like 2x on it thanks to you. You told me to buy at $1. I think it's at 1.2 or
right now is 2.7.
Yeah.
So my main thesis was to get out from the pump trade, um, like during the ICO of Plasma. That this is my base scenario.
Makes sense. Is it tomorrow or
It's,
Thursday?
I think it's on Thursday, 17th.
Yeah,
It's a
17th.
good idea, you know, like it will like again another liquidity draining event. If you think about it, we had so much those events, like the pump sell was what, 600 mil? Now the plasma one,
Yeah.
it's a lot of capital that flows to these.
Yeah, that's why I'm very conservative, because a lot of liquidity extraction happening right now, and there is not a lot of liquidity that is eager to, to flow into on-chain plays and to the trenches. That's why I think right now your position should be to focus on the plays that you really believe in, and just to stack the amount, stack the pile, yeah, to make it bigger, and not like try to diversify to the different shitters, because this is not an easy mode right now. I'm not feeling it.
I think what you're saying is true, that we have a lot of extractive events and it's not like easy mode yet and yada yada. But I don't think you take into account we're literally blasted through all-time highs on Bitcoin, and ETH is starting its peak run. Once ETH is, I don't know, 3.5K, I think you just buy all the shitcoins you think are good, or like
Yeah,
you just
but
look for the
then
best
we'll
peaks,
try
whatever.
to play narratives, and you can make more money during like narratives play than holding if. So yeah,
Yeah, of course.
you can
Okay.
take a gamble and position beforehand, but I'm really capital conservative here.
Yeah, of course.
Well, my style is completely different, but Javor is a great narrative player, and Hundert is a great momentum trader. Yeah, I mean, I'm just doing like kind of leverage longs on ETH, and if I see uh, a good opportunity in the market, I will pull the trigger. I think you, Hundert, taught me that, and I get that skill from you. I think we are in a bull market, and it's early stage of bull market. I mean, we have like probably a month or 2 or 3 of crazy run, and with in such market, I want to be all in allocated and just move from one position to another. So if I can get some money out of ETH, why not? I'm happy to move to another trade when an opportunity is shown to me, and when I see one in the market. It's quite interesting that uh, every of us has a different different angle, different view. I wanted to ask, do you know what are the terms of the Plasma ICO? How much they're raising? Like 50 mil? Am I correct?
So yeah, they're selling 10% of their allocation, FDV $500 million. So this is gonna be like a 50. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Are you going to participate in that? Are you trying to get that money, or you good?
Yeah, I will participate, and as far as I know, 100 as well.
I mean, I think to participate, you had to deposit earlier, right? And me and
Yeah.
Javor managed to get some stables into Plasma.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So if you didn't have stable, this sell is probably not for you anyways. So it's a no-brainer. It's free money, but you had to farm it for last month or two.
Yeah,
Is it like a
that's
mini?
a
Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
so that's an interesting part, that I think here a demand will be bigger than pump, because you had 600 million ICO before like TG happening. Here mostly institutions that manage to deposit into Plasma, that was really hard. Like it was like faster than pump ICO sale, and they like, in the vault right now there is a 1 billion. I think there will be higher demand for the XPL. So what we are seeing right now on the pump chart, they started their buyback program. So I don't know if it's gonna be, sustainable for a longer period of time. But I think for the people that, want to position themselves before like XPL sale, maybe this is opportunity to think how to scale out of the pump. If you believe that pump will go higher, that I think logically it should go higher as a the best crypto application out there that generated like shit ton of money from the revenue. I think that is also like good decision.
Yeah, I've just opened pump long. I like the chart. Simple as that. There is no thesis. I love you. Just charge me.
Welcome in club.
Yeah,
Yeah, I had longs as well.
Yeah, I mean, I'm more bullish bonk than pump, but hey, I need to trade.
I heard the thesis that pump team is gonna pump the fuck out of their token. I don't know if that's true.
Yeah, so I've been digging.
I don't know if they will like push for it or anything, but they have fuck ton of money, and that's a fact. So
Yeah, so two things from my side, because I've been analyzing pump a lot for Kronos research fund, and here's the thing. I couldn't confirm the info, but the best sources I could get to, and I could ask, is the whole entity is set up in UK as a non-profit organization, which means actually Alon is and his boys can't withdraw money that they already made. They could off-ramp it, but they cannot, like, get out the money and buy a yacht. Obviously, there are ways to do that, but they are like semi-illegal. So what I'm going to say is also illegal, but seems like the best play. They can use that money, pump the price, and sell the money from their private private allocations, and enjoy life. Like, even if they want, even if they decided to do anything else, and actually develop the project, which they might not. I have no idea. They currently have like 2 billion cash, and like
look
one.
look what I just sent on the chat. Fresh wallet funded with 6,000 SOL immediately started buying back pump. Looks like buybacks have begun.
Let me check.
Probably that's why it started going up a little.
Let me check if I can. If people are going to see my Twitter too, that would be pretty helpful. Yeah. But 1 mil, nah, I think it's not enough. Like they would probably, like, 1 mil isn't a significant amount of money.
Yeah, of course. But I mean, isn't it like daily or something? I'm not sure. Maybe it's just a tweet.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh, they just transferred another 23,000. So.
Let me check that wallet. Maybe. Interesting. Yeah. Pump looks good. I should have long more, but it is what it is.
I had lunch coin open on the pump phone launch, and it played out.
Have a look. Sorry. Have a look at that. 69 SOL, 420 SOL. Yeah, that's for sure. The team. I mean,
Yeah.
We can see a CT guy, a trencher.
Yeah.
That's a good joke. That
No,
when
someone's-
the most expensive, most profitable product of crypto is doing something like that. Like, this is fantastic times we're living in.
Bro, like Donald Trump is going to change the eagle of United States to Pudgy Penguin this week. So yeah, it's definitely good times. We actually in one private chat I had such conversation here. George, if you're watching that, but with regards to you, he literally asked if that's true. Like for a second, he believed this might be actually true. I was like,
I think
"Dang."
Milady would suit Donald Trump much better with his
Oh
work.
yes, definitely. Like retarded cousin is.
He's definitely a Milady. In real life.
He's retarded cousin for real.
Okay, when we
Wait,
are
do you know that Alon from Pump Fun actually rocks the Retardio cousin?
Yeah, yeah.
The Can you fucking imagine what would happen if those guys got the airdrop? Like, there's no way they would do it, but if they did, like, I probably had them on like 20 different wallets. That would be fucking crazy. I never sold them.
This this market is good. I need to
I-
buy one, but buy one or two. The problem is I have such a big exposure to ETH NFTs that I'm not willing to buy more on Solana,
I
especially.
mean, I don't think Retardio cousins are a good buy, to be honest. Like, the coin is dead, so I'm not sure the NFT will be alive or anything. I'm just saying, like, if it got the airdrop, that would be really crazy. But
Yeah, actually,
probably not gonna
that
happen.
was alpha, the pump long,
yeah, I added.
and I'm surprised that it came from me.
All right,
It
I
doesn't
want
happen
to
often, guys.
tap into the Pengu topic. So I
Oh,
think the one interesting thing that you can play as a beta right now, because Bitcoin is pumping, institutions are buying it, so a lot of brands are more eager to collaborate with the IP brands from crypto like Pengu. But there is also one more brand that is pretty popular among Solana NFTs, and it was pretty loud during NFT mania. And also, if you join to this brand X right now, you are seeing like a lot of good collaborationships are going, and I'm talking about Doodles. Uh, and Dood token also seeing like a massive growth, like 44% in the last 24 hours. And
yeah,
also,
it looked
please,
good.
also you can check their Twitter. Like, you can see that they have something in pipeline. So if you are very like Pengu lover, I think this could be the play around IP tokens.
I mean, have a look at these two charts. Pengu looks like a rug pull and then successful CTO. Like it's hard to be bearish on this chart, to be honest. Like it's definitely going for new all-time highs. I don't have much exposure to Pengu token. I only hold big Pudgy Penguins NFTs. And I can't complain with recent days. I'm making good living out of them. We'll see long term, but yeah, Tutus looks good. Like what I would like to see, I know guys you don't trade charts, but what would be an entry for me if we could close another H4 here and maybe consolidate here for a bit, that would be great before another leg up. That's what would make. But I'm adding that to my watch list. It looks interesting. Uh, didn't they have like a McDonald Happy Meal deal or something like that?
They had something like this. I'm not the big connoisseur of this brand, but if you go to the profile, you are seeing like collaboration with Red Bull, with other brands, Discord, and yeah, it seems pretty, with the potential. So I guess it could be the play. It could be the play, because we will see if the Bitcoin will still like rack the chart, then I bet the more and more collaborationship between like a Web2 brands and Web3 brands, and I think the biggest chance for a for collaboration with McDonald's, for example, as Pengu or Doodles or other NFT brands that are more family friendly.
Okay, gotcha. Uh, checking a thing or two. More than 350 people turned in to this space. I think this is a really good turnout for the first stream. Um, Anything else you're bullish on, or like really early movers or narratives?
Yeah, I have one thing, one last thing. It's not like a narrative. I would say it's more like a echo bubble from the AI agent meta. But a few days ago, there was a launch of the Ani Grok comparison. Maybe you've seen on Twitter, like some guys like compared Grok to the Anime Girl. So,
Oh
so
yeah,
that's yeah, that's it. I'm not saying it's something interesting, but I noticed that it's gaining momentum and it's gaining like popularity. I bet someone like created it because uh, the dev thought that easy mode is in, and probably he just created like a total shit project that didn't remember that it was the meta few months ago. I mean AI agents, and right now it's trying to make some money on it, but I see that people like it. It has some momentum. Maybe there is a potential for the bigger breakout. I think it's a good like chart to to watch.
yeah, 21 mil. Mm. I don't think I'm at this. I don't think I'm at. This is the. This is the. Oh, how to say it? This is the stage of the market where I would comfortably ape this with this market cap. Maybe if it was like, I don't know, 2.5 mil, then yes, but too many good setups in the space to risk, because was like real 100 mil, 80 mil is probably like the highest it could get, which is like X4, X5. Uh, and you can get like easy X2, X3 with way smaller risk, but it depends like on your style. I will
What
check it out later.
what is special about this coin, Javor? Can you repeat?
I would treat it as a AI agent echo bubble, and it has some connotation with the grok as to change grok to the anime girl. That's a
I
joke.
saw it somewhere on Twitter.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
Grok has had an update recently, didn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's a nice narrative. But I'm not sure if I would
I'm
buy
not big fan, but I'm only like pasting this to maybe it's worth to watch if it's gonna break out or gain like sustainable momentum, then maybe it's worth to like observe it.
I'm still long Ava. I didn't sell any tokens. Yesterday, Elon Musk engaged with that, and since then it has some strength. What's interesting today on Binance, it did 300 mil volume, and the market cap is 50 mil, which is kind of interesting. And yeah, this is my AI bubble echo play. Mm, yeah, uh, that's. But I don't think if I would buy here. Uh, yeah, just
I'm surprised it didn't locally top on Elon tweet. It literally like it had a small pullback after it, but
But
it
it
bu-
it it wasn't like a Elon tweet. Elon only like interacted with
interacted. Yeah,
video
but
video
Elon
that was
interactions
created.
always mark the Rocco top, and here it didn't. So
Maybe a few years ago. Right now, nobody gives a shit about it. Like,
yeah, exactly. Like I think I no, I texted to another friend today that if that was 2021, this coin would be at 500 mil market cap already. But now no one gives a shit. But it gave the momentum that we needed, and in this market, everyone is longing strength and winners. At least many traders that I know do that. So yeah, they are long Ava or buy it, ape in just because it showed some strength. Like I literally didn't know about that Elon interacted with it it um, until someone sent it to me. Also, what's interesting in my opinion is it's also like a grok play, I would say, because I think like grok with the recent update they added that you can animate movies or like short clips, something similar to Ava Studio. So it's a good narrative play if you are bullish on grok narrative. I am not, but hey, like anything that pumps my bucks, and I'm good. Yeah. Anything else you guys would like to cover?
Yes, I've sent very funny stuff on the private chat. You should
Okay.
definitely check this.
Wait, wait a second. Yo, guys, I'm going to lose my job. Like, yeah, nah,
This is the wallet that is buying back pump. Pump buyback.
that's the guy who's buying pump. Yeah, that's his
Check.
name. Yeah.
That's the
correct.
wallet that is buying back the.
Yeah. Did you
pump.
just follow him?
And people are laughing. Yeah, and people are laughing that it's that's how Alan said the buyback wallet. ENS.
Kipach. What does it mean, Kipach? For sure, it means something.
I think
Yo,
it's
this token is absolutely mooning.
it's
Maybe
this
this is-
Jewish thing on your head.
Oh, that's small little hat. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't
Wait,
know.
shall we ape this shitcoin?
Yeah, I kind
It's
of
at 6
like,
mil.
I kind
Okay,
of
it's
feel
at
like
6
aping
mil
it.
already.
But wait a second, I need to turn
It's-
off the screen so I could open my wallet.
It's quite high already.
I mean, yeah, but it's funny, like for the plot.
Okay, I'll buy some as well. Why not?
No. Like if you are going to buy, then there's no way I could get filled in a decent price, bro. Like,
No, I'm not going big or anything.
I'm going to buy like $20.
maybe
Bro,
Whoa.
don't go so then big on
So
it.
crazy. Okay. No, I will clean my wallet from like, rubbish. No, I'm looking for a wallet where I have some. Oh, nice! I've just found $700.
that's a good
Sure.
problem to have, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
like literally, I had the same situation when I was setting up my Pump ICO wallet. Obviously, it didn't went through, but yeah. I found like $620 every time I smile when that happens. Okay. Well, actually, it's going up. Let me share
Because
my.
I bought.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. Yeah, Mr. Whale moment.
I have a feeling that right now this coin is draining liquidity from Pump. That's why Pump is dumping right now.
Yes, of course, bro.
That's the play. Oh,
This
wow,
$6 million coin is eating
yeah, I'm
pumps now.
minus 40% on my pump long.
Bro, what leverage did you use?
10x. But like I just clicked buy. I didn't think about it. Like I didn't set up anything. I was talking with you.
All right. Regarding any takes,
Dude is gonna get liquidated on the stream. For the Degen Yaps.
no worries, but he will make it back with Kipach.
For sure.
Oh yeah, I was checking the soul scan and I forgot to share the screen. Actually, it doesn't look like obvious Ponzi. Let me
The
check.
Kippa or coin?
Yeah.
I don't know. I
You
think
sh-
it's
you
just
should-
hilarious that someone like did this wallet, launched the meme coin, and started buying a lot of pump. And it also shows he has a lot of money. He bought like few mil.
Yeah, the question is if he launched the token or not someone else.
Shit, that's a good question.
That's kind of important, bro.
Wait. But I'm pretty sure he tweeted the ticker Kippa on his X. So
Yeah, but how you are going to verify that that is his ex?
good.
I don't
point.
know, bro. Like I can. He can rag me for the $20 I put in. I won't mind.
I guess we'll never know.
Yeah, actually, the distribution looks super weird. Like, have a look.
All right. Regarding like any topic, I'm out. So that was everything I wanted to share. So I guess if you don't have anything, guys, we can wrap it up the stream.
All right.
Maybe any takes on the future landscape. Maybe that will be something interesting for the
Actually,
viewers.
it doesn't look that bad. The Kippa token. 3 fresh wallets hold 5%, but 9 high value wallets hold almost 11%. That's a good indicator. We'll see.
I mean,
Okay.
it's still quite early for it, so but it's a shitcoin.
Yeah,
There's
it's a
gamble.
shitcoin. It's like
Let's see.
a small gamble.
Yeah.
Yeah, 445 people turned in on this on this stream. I think this is a really good result for our first stream. Oh, Ava is dumping. Yeah, everything is dumping actually. I guess I should get back to the charts. Yeah, thank you guys. It was pleasure, and hopefully hear you next week.
Yeah, thank you for the invitation. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Any feedback will be appreciated. I hope you won't be liquidated and don't lose money because of us. Remember that this is not financial advice, and you should be, you should stay safe, please.
Okay, ending the
I
stream.
liked it. We can do another one next week, guys. That's
Okay,
welcome to that.
let's do it. Bye bye.
Cheers. See ya.